In this video, I'll show you how you can design a fully automated WhatsApp AI assistant for your own business without writing a single line of code. So the tool we are going to use today is Pabbly Chatflow, all-in-one WhatsApp automation tool that's help you to automate WhatsApp messages and responses 24/7 for your different type of businesses. But before we move ahead, let me give you a quick overview of how this AI assistant will work in real time. By sending a simple hi message to this AI assistant, once I send the message, immediately you will see I have received a message that hello, how can I assist you today? So I am sending a message, just tell me about your company. See, it replies to me like this, that we are a result-driven digital agency focused on helping business grow through smart marketing, automation and scalable system. Here I want you to know that in this tutorial I am going to design a WhatsApp AI assistant for digital agencies. That's why this AI assistant is giving me reply like this. It is only made possible with the help of this knowledge base file that I have uploaded while doing the setup of AI assistant. In this single video you will understand everything more clearly, that what is this knowledge base, how you can design an AI assistant and how it will work. So watch this video till the end. Now I am asking the next question to this AI assistant, that share me the services you are offering. See, it automatically shares me the list of types of services that this agency is offering. Let's say I want to book a consultation, so I am sending a message as book consultation. That says that I can help you with that. Could you please provide me your name, contact details, email address, business type and your primary goal. As it is visible that how smartly the assistant is giving me replies and asking me questions. So I am sending my full name as a test user and test contact number. My email address is testuser@pabblytudes.com and the primary goal is generate leads. Once I send all the information, then you will see I received the personalized message from the assistant that includes my name as a test user, exactly same that I have sent to this assistant, and one message that to finalize your consultation, could you please let me your preferred time for a call. So I am sending a timing as 6 p.m. So this is the exact automated WhatsApp assistant we are going to build today without writing a single line of code. Trust me. Now without wasting any time, let's start the creation of this assistant step by step. At first, open a new tab and search pabbly.com/chatflow, and after that you will come on the official page of Pabbly Chatflow. If you are new to Pabbly, then you will click on sign up free option and get 100 free credits every month to explore the software. If you are an existing user just like me, then click on the sign in option. But before doing the sign in process, I have something extremely valuable for you. If you also want to design this type of amazing intelligent WhatsApp assistant for your own business, then go and purchase Pabbly tool by using my coupon code MEHYT. This will give you an amazing discount on both yearly and lifetime Pabbly plans. To be honest, this is the best tool that I have ever used. It is completely worth it. Now after doing the sign in process, you will see all Pabbly apps where you have to go in this Pabbly Chatflow by clicking on this access now button, and it will take you to the dashboard of Pabbly Chatflow. Here you can add and manage all of your WhatsApp number in one place. You can also add your WhatsApp number inside your Pabbly Chatflow account. We have already created a separate video of how you can add your WhatsApp number in your Pabbly Chatflow account. Check the description below for the video link. And on the left hand side you will see the multiple features of Pabbly Chatflow. All these features are really very helpful. If you want to learn more about all of these features, then we have already created a separate video for it. I have shared the link of the video in the description below. You can check it out. As we are creating an AI assistant, so I am going in this AI assistant feature. So this is the page. Here you can create multiple types of AI assistant for your different type of businesses. This is where you can train your AI assistant with knowledge base to answer common questions and solve problems. In few minutes you will understand how you can create an AI assistant and what is knowledge based. As we are creating a new AI assistant, so I will click on this plus add AI assistant button. Next it will ask me to give the name to the AI assistant that I am entering as My AI Chatbot System for 24/7 sales proven setup. Here I have entered this AI assistant name by my choice, but you can give it completely based on the specific industry you are designing AI assistant for. After that I will click on this plus add AI assistant button and you will see our AI assistant is created successfully. Now this right here is the starting point of creating your AI assistant, where at first you have to select the instructions type and you click on it. It will provide you multiple types of instructions. I am selecting the instructions type as AI agent. As soon as I have selected the instructions type, it will automatically generate the instructions here. Instructions defines how the AI should behave and how AI assistant will give replies to your user. In simple words, these are the rules that AI assistant needs to follow while giving the responses. You can also make the changes in these rules if you want to. Next one is the temperature. Temperature controls the creativity level of AI assistant, as lower temperature gives stable and accurate values, while higher temperature gives creative and flexible responses. Here I am setting up the temperature as 0.5. Next, the model provider I am selecting as OpenAI. You can also select it. Moving forward is the model that I am going to select as GPT-4o mini. It will provide you multiple types of models. After that, the API key. Now for getting this API key, you have to go towards your OpenAI platform. So see, this is the OpenAI platform where you can get this API key. Now for generating an API key, you just have to click on this plus create new secret key button. After that, the name is an optional. You can give it if you want to. Next, the project I'm going to select as default project, and the permission I'm setting is all. Next, I have to click on this create secret key button, and see, I got my API key. And I want you to know that for generating this API key, your OpenAI account is need to be paid. Now I am copying this API key from here and pasting it in this field. After pasting the API key, I am clicking on this connect button, and you will see it says that OpenAI key saved successfully. Now I am moving forward to the AI assistant settings. That includes some options where the first one is the header message. The header message is the message that sends to the user at the start of the conversation. It is usually used for sending a welcome message or short introduction. So if you want to add it, then you can enable this toggle and enter it in this field. After that, the footer message. The footer message is the message that sends to the user at the end of the conversation. It is used for sending thank you messages and contact information. Moving forward are the stop keywords. Stop keywords are those words that stop the AI assistant. For example, I have added the stop keyword here as stop, and the user will send this keyword while communicating with the AI assistant. Then AI assistant will become stop, and on that point, human inputs is required to restart the conversation. So I'm not adding any stop keywords here, but you can add it if you want to. After that, the retry attempts. Retry attempts define how many times your AI assistant will retry to give replies to your user. If something goes wrong, you can increase the retry attempt till 10. And the last one is fallback message. The fallback message is the message that sends to the user if your assistant failed to reply due to some technical errors such as API key problem, connection issue, or anything. So this fallback message is going to be sent to the user for the better conversation. Here I have entered the fallback message is this, but you can customize it completely based on your own business. Now I am moving forward to the knowledge source. This is the most important and the crucial part of doing the setup of AI assistant, where you have to upload the knowledge base file. Now, what is knowledge base? So knowledge base is the information bank for AI assistant. With knowledge base, AI assistant gives business specific and accurate replies, but without knowledge base, AI assistant gives general responses. As I told you earlier, in this tutorial, we are going to create an automated WhatsApp AI assistant for digital agency services. So for that, I have already designed one knowledge base file. See, this is how knowledge base file look like. I designed this knowledge base file completely based on my choice. So you can customize it by making changes in it completely based on your own business. Here my objective is only to teach you how you can create an automated WhatsApp AI assistant using Pabbly chat flow. After adding all the information in knowledge base about your business, you have to download the file in the PDF format. Until the file gets downloaded, I want you to know that your file size should be less than 90 MB and the accepted formats are .txt or .pdf. There is no page limit for text PDF, but if the PDF has images, then it is limited to 10 pages. See, our knowledge base file is downloaded successfully, so I am dragging it and dropping it here. So this is how easily you can upload the knowledge base file. Now I am moving forward to the assistant interface. Here you can design your assistant by making changes in each of these fields. At first, I am entering the heading name as AI assistant, and you can see that as soon as I have entered the heading here, it will automatically change here too. So basically, this is the final look of the AI assistant that are going to visible in front of your user. Next, the subheading I have entered as we are online and happy to assist you, as it is visible here too. You can change it if you want to. And the initial message I entered as hi there, how can I help you today? I added only one initial message, but you can add two. Next one is the label that is powered by Pabbly. You can disable it from here if you want to. And the footer text I have entered as privacy policy, also added footer link. And the user first message I have entered as I need help. Here I have set this AI assistant by my choice. and again I am saying that you can customize it based on your own needs. Now I am moving forward to the next one, that is styling, where you can give style to your assistant by making changes in its themes, colors and shape. As it is looking good, so I'm not changing it, but you can customize it from here if you want to. After that, I'm enabling this toggle so that my assistant will becomes active. So this is how easily you can do the setup of automated WhatsApp AI assistant using Pabbly chat flow. After that, I will click on the save AI assistant button and see says that AI assistant saved successfully. And the next button is embed button. With the help of this button, you can access your AI assistant inside your websites or any other application. When you click on this button, the system will gives you the code of this AI assistant. You have to copy that code and paste it inside your websites, and this AI assistant is going to be appear on that too. So not only here, you can access your AI assistant anywhere. This is the magic of Pabbly Chatflow. If you like this till now and you also want to create the same, so what are you waiting for? Go and purchase this amazing tool by using my coupon code MEHYT. This is exclusively for my viewers. Trust me, this tool is going to be very beneficial for you and your business. After doing the setup of this AI assistant, now I am going to set this AI assistant for contacts. So for that, I am clicking on the settings option and going this inbox settings by opening it in a new tab. So see, this is the inbox setting of Pabbly Chatflow. Here you have to scroll down and you will see one option by the name of AI auto reply settings. You have to make sure that to enable this toggle. After that, select the contact list from here on bottom. You have to set your AI assistant that I am going to select as all contacts. Next, select the AI assistant from here that I am selecting as My AI Chatbot System for 24/7 sales. After that, click on the save button. See, it says that inbox settings saved successfully. Here I have setting this AI assistant for all contacts, but if you want to set it for any specific contacts, then we have also a solution for that too. So for that, you have to click on this inbox feature. After that, select the contact. On bottom, you have to set your AI assistant. Next, choose the AI assistant from here by enabling this toggle and select it from this drop down. After that, click on the save button, and this is how easily you can assign the AI assistant to any specific user. Now, the setup of our AI assistant is completely completed. If you face any difficulties or you have any questions while doing the setup of this amazing automated WhatsApp AI assistant, then feel free to ask us in the comment section. And if you want me to create an AI assistant for your very own specific business, then comment your business name below. I will create a tutorial on it too. This AI assistant will give instant replies to your users in real time like this 24/7, completely business specific with accuracy. Lastly, a quick reminder about the coupon code MEHYT. Don't forget it while purchasing the Pabbly subscription and grab an exclusive offers.